can we give away here at the shop?
I don't know, whatever you want, dude. I already told you, this is your whole plan and your whole idea.
Give away the mallet?
Why are we gonna give away a mallet? No one wants a mallet.
What it is heavy shit.
Put that down, man.
And give her a block, because it's not even machine.
Well, no one wants just a block of aluminum.
Think we can give away something like this? What do you want to say? Okay, what do you want us to say?
My actor from Craigslist. Get what you pay for.
Let me see. What about a 2-pump whammy setup?
Okay, we'll do that.
Plus, they get this.
A free custom stand for every whammy kit sold, starting Friday at midnight to
Sunday midnight.
every order qualifies for a free stand.
So if we have 100 people that want to buy this, you're gonna make 100 of these.
Yeah.
You heard it, guys. Vic is gonna make it. It's coming out of his paycheck. Vic is gonna buy all the material. He's gonna make you a custom stand right here, and you guys get it for free, only on the website www.hopposonline.com.